Hello and welcome to the latest MES tool release highlights, this time from the winter 2022 release. And we are going to look into the new features of the MES model and refactor, MoRe. And I have Alex here with me from the MoRe team. Hello, Alex.
Hello, Jan.
So we are going to look into the latest version of MES model and refactor, which is the 2.16 for the current release. And there are two new features or highlights that we would like to show you since we showed the last features of model and refactor. And the first one is a completely new layout action. And it is called Adjust Blocks to Destinations, and it helps to improve the layout in your model. So Alex, maybe you could show us a little bit more on what this layout action does.
Yeah, of course. Let me share my screen. So yeah, we have a new feature, Adjust Blocks to Destination, and it's an action for improving your layout or taking some work away from you by arranging your selected blocks according to its destinations. For example, in this simple example, you want to place this blocks the way that all the lines are straight. And you could use the straight lines here operation, or you can use the new operation, which is called Adjust Blocks to Destinations. And it will align all the blocks according to the destination block so that the lines are straight. Of course, it has not only this purpose, but it has more functionality in it. It can also resize blocks. Maybe you know this task if you have created the bus selector and want to adjust the size so that all the lanes are straight. This can be really tricky sometimes and annoying, and for this action also works, and what it will do, it will resize the block so that all the lines can be straight, and you have a better layout, and it's visually more pleasing, and you can read it better. So yeah, and of course you can use this action to do this for all of the parts together. So for example, here we have all these blocks and want to arrange them or resize them at once. You just select them and use this action. And all the blocks are getting resized, and you have a fine layout here. So yeah.
Very nice. So that's a very quick way to adjust your layout. All the blocks get resized, so the lines are straight. That's a very nice feature.
And it can be really tricky to resize a block the way that the lines are straight. It can be really annoying sometimes. So yeah, we also think that's a really nice new feature.
Yes, and this layout action will help you very much with this task here. Well, great. But that's not all we want to show today. So there is updates to another action that we already showed you last time, the rename signal and ports forward action. But now there's also a specific update with regard to model references. Alex, maybe you could show a little bit more what was updated for this particular action.
Yeah, of course. So we have improved this action so it also works with reference models. So this was a customer request, and they asked it if we cannot rename the signals in reference models. And so we've implemented this, and the action works like before. So you just select the signal and use rename signal and ports forward here. And then you just enter your new signal name here. New name. And if you hit go, it will just ask you if you want to do the rename also in the references. So for example, if I click no, it will behave like before. And you will change the signal only in the subsystems here, and you get a small window where it says you didn't rename your signal here. So you have here now different signal name and input names. So you can do this, or you can use this just as before, but you hit OK in the action there. So let me do this again. New name. Hit OK, and if you close yes here in this dialog, you can see this also gets renamed in the model references here. So if you're making some renaming work in your model and you have a lot of references and want to rename in your references as well, you can use now this action as well.
Great, that's a very nice update to that particular action. And as you already pointed out, it was due to a customer request. So since you are very agile in your development process, we always encourage our customers to come up with improvements or suggestions and how to improve or update the tool, especially Model and Refactor. And yeah, you can see very easily, sometimes it works very fast, that this feature then is available in the next release.
Yeah, of course. We are always grateful for feedback and requests.
Well, then thank you very much, Alex, for joining me here today. For everybody who's interested in learning more about MoRe, please visit our website. If you would like to have a trial version of the tool, please also contact us. If you want to learn more, there are a lot of videos and podcasts and additional information available. So, and if you can't find anything, just contact us. We're always happy and looking forward to the next release and exciting new features from MoRe. So thank you very much, Alex, for joining me today.
It was a pleasure. Bye-bye.
See you soon. Bye-bye.